What's up YouTube? Today I'm showing you guys a really easy beginner card trick. So without further ado, let's get to it. As always, I'll be doing the performance, then the tutorial, so let's get to it. Now they can shuffle the deck, and then when they believe that it's thoroughly shuffled, they hand it to the magician. Now, you spread out the cards, and then they pick any card. And in this case, it's the Four of Spades. Now you want them to go ahead and sign it, because then they know it's theirs. So once it's signed, you're going to just put it in the deck, like so, and then you can give it some cuts, you can give it some shuffles, and then you can give it one last cut, let's say. Now, from here on, you know that their card is lost, and they can assume that too. But what they don't know is that it's actually not in the deck anymore. As you can see, you cannot find it anywhere. You cannot find it anywhere. So it actually transported into the card box right here. Now, as you can see, there's one card inside of the card box. Now, that card is indeed their card, the Four of Spades. And then the card can be handed out for examination, and you are left clean. Action. So to perform this trick, all you're going to need is a normal deck of cards, except for one exception, which will be a double backer. And you can just make this by simply gluing or taping two cards together so that the back is on both sides. And in this case, my deck, the Monarch deck, actually came with a double backer, which is very nice. So you can use it for a load of tricks. Now, you're just going to start off by putting that in the card case, right there. And then you just put it to the side. Now, you approach someone, and you can just put the deck case to the side right there, and then you have the deck out. So you can have them shuffle it, or they can just keep it how it is, and it doesn't really matter. Now, after that, you're just going to have them pick a card, and it truly is actually a free choice. And then you want to have them sign it. So by doing that, they know that it's actually their card in the end, and that it's not just a duplicate or something. So you want to have them sign their card. Now, then somehow, you're just going to put the card in the deck, and then you're somehow going to control it to the top. Now, you can do that in many ways. So you can give it some cuts, and then somehow control it to the top. And you can like shuffle it to the top. However way you want to control it to the top, just control it to the top. So, when you have their card controlled to the top, you're going to flip the deck over, like so. And once you flip the deck over, you're going to get a pinky break above the bottom two cards. Now, you can simply do that by counting with your pinky down 1, 2, and then you'll get a pinky break above those two bottom cards. Now, that'll be above one random card, and then it'll be above their card. So, right there, their card, and then a random card. So, you count 1, 2. Or you can use your thumb and help count. So you can count 1 and then 2 and then put your pinky there. So after you get your pinky break and you just want it to be a small one, you're going to spread through the deck and then say that, and then ask them if they can find their card. And then when you get to the very end where you have your pinky break, right here, I have my pinky break, you're just going to hold these two cards as one. So it'll just look normal. And then you're going to score up the cards, and then you're going to flip the deck over again. And then you're going to say that their card has actually transported into here. Now, you want to open it up, and then you might want to show it to them a little, like that. But you don't want to show them both sides, because then they'll realize that the card has two sides. So you just want to show them one side, and then you can kind of show it to them like that. And then you're going to take it out, and you're going to throw the deck card aside. Maybe you can show that it has nothing else in it. And then you're going to put it on top of the deck. So you don't want to really do it like that. So you're just going to take it out, and then you're going to lift the deck with your left hand, or whatever your other hand is, and then you want to put it on top, and then just make it look normal. So you don't really want it to be like this, where you take it out, and then put it on, and then lift it up. You want to already have the deck in your hand. So when you take it out, you're going to grab the deck with your hand, and then put it on top. And then you're simply just going to do a double lift. So you do so by getting your pinky under the top two cards somehow, and then you just lift them up like so, and you can just flip it over, and then you're left clean because that double backer flipped itself over, and then it looks like it's just a normal card. So I'll do that again, one more time. So you take the card out of here. Whoops. Take the card out of here. Then you're grabbing the deck with your left hand at the same time. Then you're going to put this on top. And then you're going to get your pinky break and perform your double lift. Or just double turnover, whatever you want to call it. And then you're just going to take this card off and then show it to them. And then they can examine it. And then after you've done all that, you can spread out the deck. Just making sure not to flash the double backer right here. So you can like spread it out really far at the top. And then just leave a few cards at the bottom so it doesn't flash that double backer. And then after you do that, you are actually done with the trick. So, hope you guys like this trick. If you have any questions, if I rushed it, or if I didn't explain enough, just tell me in the comments below. So, I hope you guys like this. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.